Right, here's some help with the questions for the prep. This is, and the prep questions are exercise 3 on page 290, questions 1 and 2. So I'm going to do one from each of these. So here we go. This is 1A. So we've got a cylinder that looks like this, and here the radius is 1, and the length of this is 4 centimeters. So it's all in centimeters, 1 centimeter and 4 centimeters. It says find the surface area of the following cylinders. So we want the total surface area, and it's the surface area of the curved surface. So surface area of curved surface, and then we want to add to that the surface area of the ends. Okay, so what we mean by the curved surface is this pink filled in area. And if you remember in the notes, we went through this, and the idea was that if we take our cylinder and we cut down the edge with some scissors, it opens up into a rectangle. And the length L is the length L here. And this length here is simply the length of this green circumference. So this is the circumference here. So let's go back to our problem that we've got. So my total surface area is equal to surface area of the curved surface. That's the circumference of the circle. And the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. It's 2 pi r multiplied by the length. Okay, so that's the curved surface area, plus the area of the ends. Well, one end is a circle of area pi r squared, and we've got two of those. Okay, so just to remember that this thing here, this is the circumference, and this is the area of the circle. Okay, so in this question, r is 1. So r is 1, and L is the length, which is 4. So our total surface area is 2 pi times r, which is 1, times L, which is 4, plus, and then pi r squared. Well, pi times r is 1 squared times 2. Okay, so now we're just going to tidy this up a bit. This is 2 times 1 times 4, which is 2 times 4, which is 8. So this is 8 pi. And then we're going to add 1 squared is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So this is 2 pi here. And we get a total of 10 pi. Now the question asks for answers in 2 decimal places. And this turns out to be 31.42. And that's centimeters squared to 2 decimal places. So that was question 1A. Let's have a look at question 2A now to help you with question 2. It says, find the surface area of the cylinders with the following dimensions. Give your answers correct as 2 decimal places. Okay, so again, these are solid cylinders. They haven't, the lids are both on both ends. So here we've got a radius of 2 centimeters, and we've got a length of 7 meters. Oh, they're both meters, I beg your pardon, 2 meters and 7 meters. So a little sketch, draw the cylinder. Our radius is 2, and our length is 7, both in centimeters. So our total surface area is the surface area of the curved surface plus 2 times the area of an end. Area of an end. Okay. Now the curved surface, again, we're turning it into a rectangle, and this length is the circumference, and that corresponds to that length there, and then green length is the same as this green one here. So we need this distance here. This is our 2 pi r, and this is our h. So we've got 2 pi r h plus 2 times pi r squared, because pi r squared is the area of an end. Put the numbers in, so we get 2 times pi times r, which is 2, times h. H and L, same thing, we'll just call that h there. This is 7 plus 2 times pi times the radius squared, which is, the radius is 2, so that's 2 squared. So what we get here is 2 times 2, which is 4, 4 sevens, 28 pi here. And this is 2 times 4 times pi, which is 8 pi. So 28 pi there, 8 pi here, giving a total of 36 pi. And if we work out what 36 pi is, on the calculator, we get 113.010. 113.10, and that's meters, and our units are, sorry, meters squared, and that's 2 decimal places. Okay, so the secret is to remember, you look in your notes, it explains this in paper as well. We've got the surface area of the curved part, we've got the surface area